Assalamualaikum, hai, jumpa lagi di channel Kalista Aksesoris. Video kali ini terinspirasi dari film pendek Gang of Paris dari Tory Burch. Film pendek yang menceritakan tentang dua kubu yang battle akan bagaimana menghias tas mereka, entah diikat secara lilit ataupun menjuntai. Di video saya ini tidak hanya menghias tas, tapi kita akan membuat tasnya. Bagaimana cara membuatnya? Simak terus ya. Alat dan bahan yang kita butuhkan adalah kancing magnet, ring D 2 cm 2 buah, bros variasi hiasan tas, jarum tapestri tajam, peniti penanda, rantai tas beserta pengaitnya, gunting, meteran, kain stocking, benang bulu handuk koral, plastik kanvas untuk tas. Untuk pembelian bahan-bahannya bisa cek di deskripsi ya. Saya memakai plastik kanvas yang sudah jadi, bisa langsung dipakai, tidak perlu menggunting lagi.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best even though I'm so stressed out.
Guntingkan stocking menjadi 4 bagian kecil-kecil. Seperti ini hasilnya. Masukkan ke dalam jarum tapestri. Masukkan jarum ke dalam lubang keempat. Saya memberi tanda supaya lebih mudah untuk menghitungnya. Tarik dan sisakan sedikit. Masukkan lagi jarum ke dalam lubang keenam.
I write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired.
Lakukan hal yang sama sampai ujung. Sisakan 3 kotak dari tepi kanan kirinya.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go?
Ulangi lagi seperti proses awal.
I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop.
Saya sisakan kotak yang ada di tengah karena beda hitungan. Masukkan jarum ke dalam lubang keempat.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed.
Lakukan hal yang sama untuk kotak atasnya dan menyisakan satu kotak di tengah-tengah. Kemudian penuhi kotak yang masih kosong sampai habis.
By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire.
Benang bulu handuk untuk memenuhi kotak yang masih kosong di tepi-tepinya.
About the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Pasang ring D dan jahit hingga kuat supaya tidak lepas.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Untuk memasang kancing magnet, ukur dulu supaya tidak miring dan pas di tengah.
Just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility convincingly.
Kemudian satukan tepi-tepinya.
Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs.
Pasang variasi bros tas supaya lebih cantik.
I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Pasang rantai tasnya. Tas ala Tory Burch dari bahan stocking sudah jadi. Terima kasih telah menonton video tutorial ini hingga selesai. Silahkan berikan komentar, like, serta share konten ini. Untuk yang belum subscribe, silahkan tekan tombol subscribe dan nyalakan lonceng notifikasinya, supaya tidak ketinggalan video terbaru dari Kalista Aksesoris. Sekian video tutorial ini, semoga bermanfaat dan menginspirasi. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum.